Somebody called Atlas. Are you,
You're having fun?
Yeah, and why are you taking pictures?
I like it.
That's a video. I can wear a hat.
And you don't know where Parkway Pizza is? You're bad with directions.
Hey, I'll take a picture at you. Your big face. I don't like that. Okay, maybe we'll do bumper cars.
You want to go with bumper cars? I'm ready for you.
Me begging against you.
You can't fit two people on those things.
I will go after you.
Bring it on, my friend. Come on, let's go.
Let me help. I'm a great driver.
If Becky can drive good, maybe. Because she's a bad driver.
I can't do it.
You got a picture of him?
No. I can't because I can't take the shot because it's coming up there. I can see you on top of us. Tiffany, Becky, you're on top of us. I can hear your voice. We're above you.
I can't hear them.
Hey, I do what? Tiffany, Becky, Tracy, Jackie. I can hear you.
Are they right below us?
Yeah, we're right there, down there.
Haha. Oh boy.
I can hear you guys.
When is that fun flight gonna open? I hope Becky can drive bumper cars, but she doesn't drive, obviously.
Right.
Becky can't drive.
What?
She can't drive.
I drive.
Not you, her.
Oh,
Becky, she can't drive.
yeah, she does.
I'll believe that when I see proof, my friend.
I'm gonna hang my hat
Good, you're not grabbing the pole. That's good.
on. Tiffany, I can see you.
Oh no!
Hello, girls.
Take a picture.
Are you grabbing the pole? Oh my god. You're such a baby. She is such a baby. Oh my god.
Man, you go this ride.
What? What? What are you talking about?
This one. Right there, straight ahead.
The zero
Yeah,
gravity?
she spins around.
Heck no, I'll puke.
You're not bad, you don't eat.
I'll puke on that thing. No way. No way, Jose amigo. I dare you to go on the orbiter. We can't stand up. Oh, the chaos. I hate that thing. I hate the chaos.
Oh, we're above us.
Oh,
Hey guys, we're above you.
you get a good view from up here. Seriously, really good views.
Yeah, fix my message.
I like the view from up here. It's good. Gesundheit.
I get a job,
Why would I do that?
so you get paid.
I get money on my birthday, alright? And for Christmas.
Hey,
So
get
big
a
deal.
job, okay?
Oh, brother.
Come on, get a job that's close to where you live. Where you live at?
I live by Trenton, alright?
No. Where?
I live by Trenton.
Trenton?
Yeah.
Go to Over Avenue Shoprite.
The one in Ewing? I've never even been there.
Well, there's one in Pennington Road.
Oh, Pennington, I don't even go there.
So come on, Pennington is the best place in Ewing. Or Over Avenue, too. Right. How long do you get there?
From Ewing, I'm like 15 minutes away.
So how long do you get there to the Carnival?
Oh, from here, I'm like 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
15?
15, 1-5, do the math.
15? Why you go work in Shoprite? Route 33. Route 33.
My mom worked there once, she hated it.
Hey, go Shoprite Route 33 and get a better job. Not easy to drive. Or you can take a bus to drive.
The bus doesn't go there that often.
Hey, they go to it. I bet the bus goes 1:30. I work there.
The marketplace, yes.
No, the bus goes to Hamilton Marketplace. You should try.
And why is she scared of that Ferris wheel over there? Why is she scared of that one, huh?
Nah, I know she's afraid. Last year she was scared that we gotta go on, but you and me gotta go up there.
She has to conquer her fears. This thing is 65 feet tall. That thing's only 40 feet. Come on. This one's taller than that one.
Oh, come on.
Be brave.
Nah, scared.
You're like a chicken, no wonder.
Hey guys, up down here. Hey guys, down here. Guys, look down here. Come on, you can see me.
Are they above us?
No, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Tiffany, Becky, Jackie, Tracy, we're down here. We're down here. Okay.
I don't think they can hear you if they're all the way up there.
What?
I don't think they can hear you if they're all the way up there, like
No,
15 feet up.
They can hear you right there. We're close. Stop. Go right here.
Where?
Right there, we're coming down. Now we go.
Hi, girls.
Try to call your name.